Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Flying Buddha Inside Bars indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Flying Buddha's Inside Bar indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested 276 indicators, and out of those 276 indicators, 109 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 109 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. All right, as I said, today's indicator is the Flying Buddha's Inside Bar indicator. You can see it here on screen. So basically what it does is it takes moving average and I think moving averages, and it determines an overall trend direction. And then what it does is it identifies the Flying Buddha's candle pattern, and once it has identified that, it then paints these little green arrows or red arrows depending on whether it is a long position or a short position. So the green arrows would be long trades that we would take, and the, let's see if I can find one, the red arrows like this one here would be a short trade signal. And that is basically how we are looking to test it today. So we are looking for the green arrows to then go long, or a red arrow to then go short. Pretty simple, not a whole lot to it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. So we pick up the first long signal right there. The only issue with this indicator is that it does have a lot going on with it, and so it can be difficult to see what is actually transpiring with price action once it does give a signal. But we can turn off the visibility of the indicator for just a moment, and then that will give us the ability to kind of see clearer as to what's happening. So this was a long signal right here. It did start to make its way back up, but unfortunately it did not hit 100 pips before it then came down and would have stopped us out for a losing trade. So first trade, and it was a losing trade. Let's go ahead and continue on with it here. Price actions moved up quite significantly right there. Then we pick up another signal right there. And once again, unfortunately, it comes down rather quickly and stops us out. So 2 signals and 2 losing trades at the moment. Here is a long signal right there. And it looks like once again another losing trade. So it's not doing too great at the moment, but that is not to say that it can't recover. Just keep plugging along here. And there is a short signal right there. Another losing trade. Short signal right there. Another losing trade. So yeah, it's not looking too great for the flying Buddha's candle indicator. Let's see here. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. And you can see that we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 signals all together. And unfortunately, 5 losing trades. I do believe that this is the first indicator to get all losing trades on the signals. So quite interesting. Yeah, I don't know what to say much about this indicator other than the fact that it did not do too great. So I am going to go back and look at the indicator page and make sure that I didn't miss something when it came to the signals that this indicator gives. I read through it once, and I am very confident that I didn't misinterpret how the signal should be taken. And so I would not hold your breath that this is going to get any better, but I for the life of me, it's hard to understand how an indicator could do that bad. I know it was only 5 signals, but still, that was not good at all. And so, yes, like I said, I will go back and I will read the indicator page one more time. And if I do discover that I misunderstood how it should be traded, then we will do another video on it and test it again. But at this point, it's pretty safe to say that if you would have just taken the opposite direction of each of these trades, then it would have been a 100% maybe. Yeah, I mean, it would have. But yeah, quite interesting. That's going to be it for the Flying Buddhas indicator. We will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.